This is the 2020 range of motorhomes from French manufacturer Challenger. This is the 337 GA Graphite Premium. This vehicle is 719 centimeters long if it's in a Ford, and 3 centimeters shorter if it's in a Fiat. This thing will cost 70,500 euros, and this one's on a Ford. It's got a face-to-face seating arrangement in the lounge. It's got a kitchen block here that comes with 2 burners and a sink. We've got storage around here and storage up here as well, with a ledge, so you could sort of keep some sheets or pillows or things that if they fall down when you've been moving, it won't cause any problems. Here we have a large tower fridge, freezer at the top, and place for bottles at the bottom. There's a place for a television, and in here we've got the electrical stuff as well. That's the back of this, and a bit of storage indeed. Step up here, and so come to the back to start off with. This is the German layout, and in Chausson and Challenger they've got this awful system for making the German layout, which I'm not going to demonstrate because I fear it will break. And this comes in here like that when if you have got the courage to actually put the thing together, and that makes a rather large, here, show it a bit further back if I can, rather large bed. So it's a pity it's got this awful system here, because otherwise, actually that's not broken yet. Oh well, I'm not going to be the one to break it. Wardrobe down below, and I want to show you this. This is clever. Also, it does of course help if you lift the right thing up. Look at that, you've got all that space in the wardrobe, and you can open it from here as well if you want. That's very nice large wardrobe space here. Now remember, motorhomes space is at a premium. And under here as well, there, look, you've got all that space once more. You've got storage there, and great. Anyway, in here we've got the toilet, mirror, and here shower. And you can sort of close this off here, and you can also close it off here as well if you want. Let's close this off, see what that looks like. Ah, right, well congratulations to, because that doesn't look too bad at all. I tried some doors in Mobil design yesterday, and they look awful. Awful with a capital O. That was a little joke, by the way, for those of you who can't spell. Right, good. So that gives you a walk around this van here. We'll see if we've got anything else in the 720 centimeter class, which I already know they have. Just a question now of finding it. So there was one down here somewhere, which I shall take you into. There it is, you see. What a memory. This is the 328 Graphite Premium. Okay, this one's going to be on an automatic basis, and this thing here has also got a queen bed, and this thing here costs 73,000 euros. You can hear the clapping in the background. Look, they are people who are applauding my video. Oh no, sorry, they're not. They are the people who are the sales staff. They're getting fired up to make sales. I used to try to do that to people I had in my under my command. To get people in the right frame of mind, then well, that's the objective, I suppose. Right, so we saw the German layout, and this one is the what do you call this? The queen bed layout. Lift this up, and you can see under here you've got storage under it, as well as access to the garage. The bed will move up and down. So you want more space in the garage, or you want an easier bed to get into. We'll have a quick look at that. And there it is. You have a bed which will go up and down. Let's move down here and I'll show you this. The next one, that's a 7-meter van. This one here is the 720. It's family approved. Mind you, if you look like that, then perhaps you would need to see a ask who your parents were. Over 71,000 it costs. This one here though has a more unusual layout. Enormous lounge here. You've got the bed up there, which I can't show you because I haven't got the key. You've got 2 burners here. But what you've got here is this double bunk, is that right? 2 bunks here. The bottom one will come out, and the top one you can also put it somewhere else, which is just as well, because you might have difficulty fitting under there. Sorry, the bottom one doesn't come out. I take that back. Yes, it does. It does. Sorry, it does come out. And it's also its height. The height can be regulated. Morning. And here we've got the wardrobe, and here is the shower. And we'll have a quick look. Oops, sorry, banged the camera. And we'll have a look at the toilet as well. Right, so we'll have a quick prowl around, see if there's any more. There are more 720s in here. I've just got to find the things. 7 meters, 640. That's 7. I think this one's 7 as well. I remember what the dog told me earlier. And that's a 7-1 as well. So that's it. So you can see people are tidying the place up. And so I'd like to thank you for watching this video, coming to you from Germany, from Caravan Salon, with the 2022 range of motorhomes from Challenger Chausson.